Hello all, good evening to all. Very happy good evening to all. Is my voice is clear? Can you guys able to see my screen? Just put S in chat box. If you can hear my voice and you can see my screen. If everything 5 minutes, just put S in chat box. Just put S in chat box. Is my voice is audible to you and you can see my screen? I hope my voice is audible to you and you can see my screen. Let's get into session. Welcome all 21 days masterclass on VLSI design. Today is the third day. Today is fully up to how to install the industry tools like Xilinx and Intel Quartus Prime. Let's see one by one how to install the tools. Let's get into session. Today we are going to see install the Xilinx ISE design suite version 14.7 and Intel Quartus Prime standard edition design software. For that we have to use any browser like Chrome or Edge. I am using the Chrome browser. Just type Xilinx ISE. And one more thing, our industrial tools like Xilinx, Intel Cortex Prime, Vivado, all the tools are based only Windows 10 only. We can't use in Windows 11 because there is no updation for Windows 11 to our tools. We can use Windows 7 XP to install the tools like AM, Xilinx, Vivado. If you want to install in Windows 11, you must have to use the virtual machine. It is very complex to use tool in the virtual machine because of we have to give separate memory, separate speed of processor for virtual machine, and then we have to install the OS on virtual machine to access your tools. So it is a huge process. It is not suitable for the good way to simulate and write the code on tool. So better you move to Windows 10 to access the tools like all the tools like Intel Cortex, Xilinx, Vivado, and so on. First we have to see. We will see how to install the Xilinx ISE to the design suite. First you have to type on Google just Xilinx ISE. The first link is download ISE version 14.7. You have to choose that first link, and there is a lot of versions in the site. There is a version 7, 14.7, 14.5, 3, 2, 1, and it is a 13 version also is there. But we have to choose this 14.7, this only. If you choose this, the file size of the tool is very high, like 15 GB. It is not. It is we only use it for industry peoples, like huge number of codes and huge number of circuits. They are using huge number of circuits. So we have to choose this 14.7. In that, having a lot of files like Windows 7 XP for Linux and a lot of files for the separate Windows. In that files we have to choose this full installer for Windows 7 XP and server. This is our tool we have to use in upcoming classes. We must have to choose this file only, full installer for Windows 7 XP and server. This the size of the file is up to 6.18 GB. And it is very compared to the other 14 point version, it is less size only because of already seen that version. This version first is Windows 7 14.7 for Windows 10. It up to 15 GB. Compare both are tools functionally same only, but the FPGA designs having in this version having a lot of FPGA designs, but in this version having this less amount of FPGA designs, like Spartan 3A and Spartan 6, Spartan 7, like that only it having. Click on it. If you want to download this file, you have to log in with the vendor. This is vendor by AMD. You know about AMD is a semiconductor company. The AMD giving the laptop processor like is Ryzen, and AMD having creating having the ASIC ASIC chips and also FPGA chips, and also AMD giving to us to access the FPGA by using the tool like Xilinx and Verilog. Xilinx and Verilog are owned by AMD only. For that you have to log in the AMD account, and there is an and you can see the download icon on that. After the download the file, after download this file, after the downloading this file, you can see this setup on your computer. You have to just click on X setup. After that, clicking on setup, you will move to installer guide for Xilinx ISE design suite, and then click next. And the next page is you have to agree the license agreement of the Xilinx. Just you have to tick this tick boxes and then click next. And the next page is and also it is also agreement license. Same way you have to choose, you have to tick on the tick box. And it is the main thing you have in the installation procedure. We have to choose lot of design packs in the tool. The ISE design suite system medicine is a correct file for using the FPGA, and you can use there is a lot of files like ISE webpack, ISE design suite logic edition, ISE suite for embedded edition. It is used for separate access and separate functionalities. But in ISE design suite system edition is important for all the all the functionalities of FPGA, like flashing the code into FPGA, like simulation, and you can see the waveform of the simulation. It's all in the ISE design suite system edition only. So that we have to choose ISE design suite system edition, and then click next. And it make it is what is it is have, and make it is it is because of we don't have to change anything, it is correct only. Then click next, and we have to choose the file destination directory. If you want to save in local disk D, we have to choose we have to browse that file path in the browser section, and you can change the name also here. Xilinx design tools, it is your wish. You can just use Xilinx. So it is about your wish. You can give any name on this page, and then click next. And then it is a final summary of the installation. In this setup, in this display in the screen, you can see what are the files have to what are the files is installed in the Xilinx, like versions, and how many bits of OS, and so on. Just click on install. After that our Xilinx tool is installing. It will take up to 15 minutes. After the installation, you can open the Xilinx tool. While first time you will opening the Xilinx tool, you will facing the license issue. If you want the license file, you can our organizer will put the license file on WhatsApp group. You must have to join our WhatsApp group and to get the license file. By using the license file only, you can access the Xilinx tool. You must have to join the WhatsApp group and get the license file and save on it your computer. And then if you see in the license error, and just click OK, and the next screen you will see this. You will see this screen only, and that you have to choose the load existing license. Locate the existing license. If you clicking on this, you will move to this screen. In this screen, you have to choose the license file from your computer, so that for that you have to get the license from your from our WhatsApp group. Our organizer will post that license file in WhatsApp group. You have to save into in your computer, and then choose in this file path, Xilinx license file. Just click on it and copy the path and license file, and copy that file current dictionary. And then in this space we have to choose the license file. Just click on it, and some pop-up windows open, and choose the license file, and then finally give the set and click on the set icon, and then you can successfully install the license like this only. If you choose a license file correctly, and then open and click on open here, and then finally your license installation has successfully in the pop-up screen. You can see in the pop-up screen, and after that you can see your Xilinx tool working properly. These are the steps to follow. You have to follow to install the Xilinx tool. First you have to download the file from browser AMD site, and agree all the agreements from while installing the tool. And then you must to choose IAC design suite system edition only. It is a mandatory. It is if you choose any other the edition list, our license file won't work on your Xilinx installation, because of our license file is only for IAC design suite system edition. And then click on next, and choose the destination directory from your computer, in what place you want to store. Just select that destination directory. These are the installation procedures you have to follow to Xilinx installation. And then I want to share about one thing. You can convert this masterclass into 1 month internship on VLSI design, and you will get the benefits of internship, like all 30 days recording sessions, all 30 days presentations, and exclusive projects codes, and you can download it, and VIP community group for your doubt clearing and internship updates, and you will get a internship confirmation letter from IETE, and also you can access the 90 days of LMS portal, and we will give you assignments like assignments and tasks for your improvement in VLSI design, and we will give you weekly live sessions for doubt clearing, and we will make you resume building, and we will give you mock testers for your upcoming interviews, and we will give you internship and participation certification. If you like it, you just buy our course, but our regular fee is 1,999. In the masterclass session, we discounted fee is only 799. By using the registration link, you can buy the course, you can buy the internship. It is a limited time period offer. It is will up to 8/2024. It means next month too only. Please evaluate, it will help for you on VLSI design. And let's see how to install the Intel Quartus Prime standard edition design software. For that, we have to go to browser. Just type Intel Quartus Prime. You can see in FPGA design software Intel Quartus Prime. You have to click on this link only, and then you will move to this page. In this page, under the last of the page, you can see ready to download and start the designing. Just click go to download. You must have to just type Intel Quartus Prime on your browser and click on FPGA design software Quartus Prime Intel, and then move to go to download. In this page, there is a lot of versions you can download, but all the versions having the license, but all the versions having license, you have to require license. For that, you have to pay for license. So there is only some tools are free only, like Intel Cortex Prime and Intel Cortex Lite edition is only free in this Intel Cortex tool. You have to choose Intel FPGA development tools. Intel having a lot of tools like embedded tools, add-on development tools, but we need only in FPGA development tools, and select in Cortex Prime Lite. It is freely available, but all these Cortex Prime Pro, all these Cortex Prime Standard, Cortex Prime Cortex 2 subscription edition, Cortex 2 web edition, it is all you have to pay for it. So we have to only Intel Cortex Prime only is free, and versions is like 23.1 is a latest version. You have to choose that only. Operating system, you have to choose. If you using the Windows, you have to choose Windows. If you using the Linux, you have to choose Linux. After choosing this, download the SFX file. Just click on it. It automatically download. After the downloading file, just open it on your computer. After opening this, you can see this screen on your computer. In this, this is a whole setup of Intel Cortex Prime Lite edition. In this edition, there are a lot of devices is the Intel Cortex having, like Cyclone 4, Cyclone 10 LP device support, Cyclone 5 device support, Max 2, Max 5 device support, Max N FPGA device support, and starter edition. These are the simulators are free only, like Cortex Prime Lite edition are free, and Cortex Prime includes Neos 2 EDS. It is for only this Neos 2 EDS is only for simulating the like Ethernet DDR memory. The huge these are the very complex RTL code, so that we need Intel Cortex Prime needed a additional software like in Neos 2 EDS, and we have to tick all the tick boxes in Cortex Prime Lite edition. Cortex Prime includes Neos 2, Cortex Intel FPGA and starter edition and starter edition. And coming to devices, you can click if you have Max 10, just click Max 10. If you have Cyclone V, Cyclone 5, Cyclone 10 LP, Cyclone 4 devices, if you have this, you can click on it, but it will take some storage in your computer. In this side, in this side they're showing the size of the tool, like in GBs. If you add in the additional devices, also increasing your size of the tool. But in the master class we only using the max 10 FPGA device only, so that I choose an max 10 FPGA only. And you can add on standard softwares like Quartus Prime programmer and tools, Quartus Prime help, and risk-free IDE for Intel. These are, we don't want this, we just want the device support and in Quartus Prime Lite edition. We just want two only, like max 10 FPGA device support and Quartus Prime Lite edition. And then click download button here only down. Before that you have to click for Intel license agreement here only, and then click download. You can download the file. I already installed the tool, so that it's showing. After the it will take up to 15 or 20 minutes also. So after the installing, you can see a Intel Quartus Prime icon on your desktop. I can also open it. I already installed it, so that I'm not installing. If you can try and install your own self. It is the interface of the Intel Quartus Prime 2 Lite edition. I will teach you how to use the tool in the upcoming classes, and then next we will move to EDA Playground. We can also design and test the design by in the EDA Playground. Is a online simulation. If you want to access the EDA Playground, just follow my steps. Just go to browser, just type EDA Playground. And first link is EDA Playground edit code. You have to click on this. It's showing this only. If you want to access this, we have to register first. So I will show you how to register the EDA Playground. I already logged in, so that it is showing logout in this profile. After that you have to choose login, and then you can see the screen. On the screen you have to choose register for full account, and you will see that this screen. In this screen you have to give your company or your college or your school mail IDs. If you in your own mail ID, personal mail ID, we can't access the online simulation EDA Playground. Based on your college or school mail ID, you can access this tool. You have to give this college mail ID, like your college name, and you can give password like what you want, and you can give your college name or institution name, and give your name, and in the job title you have to give the student. If you working means you give your working professional domain, and if you student means you can give what are you studying in this, and you can give, and you have to give the city, and you have to choose the country, India. After that the one mail is sent to your college or whatever you mail in given this box, and that mail ID the EDA Playground send a confirmation mail. But you have to copy that mail link and you paste in your own browser. Just like your institution or college receiving that one mail, on that mail that having the separate link, you have to copy that link and paste it on your browser. After that you can access the EDA Playground. EDA Playground is very simple for writing the RTL code and testing the design. Just try the one RTL code like ungate. In the EDA Playground, you can see here. You can see your languages and libraries. In this, there is a lot of actions you have to do this. You have to choose what is your language to write in the EDA Playground. Normally it chosen system Verilog or Verilog. You can choose VHDL or Spaceman E or SV Verilog, Python, SV Verilog, Python only, System C, C++, Perl or CSH. You can choose. If you want to run this in EDA Playground, you can choose anything, but we have to write only Verilog, so I choose Verilog. And I already said no in last class, the verification is based on UVM or OVM. UVM is nothing but universal verification methodology. You can also UVM code on this also in EDA Playground. And you have to choose tool and simulator. There are a lot of vendors in market to simulate the code. For that, you have to choose which the Cadence is a company, Aldens Rivera is also company, Siemens is also company. They are giving the tools and also you can access the tool in the EDA Playgrounds. Mostly Siemens and Costa is a very user friendly. You can see the transcripts very easy way, and it will give the clarity of the results in the transcript. So I'm always using the Siemens Costa to see a correct output. And in RTL code we giving the timing scale. In upcoming class I will tell you how will you give timing scale, how will you measure the timing scale. And also you can see a EPW like waveforms by clicking on this. I will tell you how to write and how to simulate and how to see the EPWs in upcoming sessions. In this session I only write some simple code like AND gate for your clarification, and how to run and simulate in this tool. Many people may not know that how to write RTL code. I will teach you in the master class. Don't worry about it. I already said no. We have to write RTL for logic gates. Each logic gate having inputs and outputs. That inputs we have to give in code also, and I am trying to write for AND gate. So AND gate having the two inputs like A and B, and the output like Y. And the AND gate operation is multiplying the inputs. So in the Verilog code there is a separate keyword like assign. By using this assign keyword you can assigning the output, like you can assign the RHS to LHS, like these statements. This is simple code for AND gate. In this code having the module name. It is syntax of the Verilog, and we have to give the module name. inside the brackets we have to give the port list are nothing but in IO input outputs. After that you have to give the condition or functionalities of the design. AND gate having multiplying functionality, so that I am using assign. Why? It is a symbol for functionality of AND gate. If you normally using AND, this is a AND gate symbol. If you double the gate, it will the logical AND gate. If you using the single int, it is not logical AND gate. If you use double AND symbol, it is a logical AND gate. These are the design code for AND gate. We run it on also in. I just copy that code and paste into Intel Quartus Prime. We will check how it works. And I am opening the Intel Quartus Prime. We just try. We have to, today I will teach you how to create a new project on Intel Quartus Prime. And open the Intel Quartus Prime and just click new project wizard on it, and also you can choose from file also new project wizard, and then you can see the screen and click on next. On this first box it is here for directory of the top level entity. It's like your file location, but better you have to create. It's a cancelled. First you have to create one folder for the storing the code. Type test. And I copying that path. First you have to create one folder, and after that you copying that address path and click on new project wizard and click next. Paste the copy address path in the location, and this is a space for you have to give your project name, like, and I will give ungate, and then click next. It is a choosing for your type of the project, like empty project or project template. Just click next, and you can add the existing Verilog files from this screen. We don't have any existing file, so I click next, and then this is a main thing in Intel Quartus Prime. Intel FPGA is having many families like a Max 10, Max 2, Max 5 but we installed only Max 10, so that it's showing Max 10. Max 10 families are also having variety of the devices like DA, DD, DF, DC. Each name of DA, DD have a separate explanation. I will tell you upcoming slide. And our FPGA is we are going to use FPGA Max 10 DA only, and our FPGA package is FPGA, and pin node is 484, and the speed of this FPGA is 7. In this available, you can see here available devices. We have to choose correct model name of the devices. Each FPGA having the model name, so that we have to choose that. Here you can see here the 10 is refers to Max 10, and 50 is a model of the name, and DA is also I am choosing the Maxwell family name, and 484 is a pin count, and C is a there is a separate explanation for that. I will say in upcoming slide. And 7 is a speed of the core speed grade, and G is a what for it the FPGA. It is a general purpose FPGA or industry purpose FPGA. J means a general purpose. Industry means here it having I. So So that finally we have to choose, we have to click on the name and click next, and and then click next. It is not unwanted, and finish. And we have successfully created a one project on Intel Cortex Prime. Creating the project Intel Cortex Prime is taking so much of time. And then you can see here our project name ungate, and then we have to create a file like for write the code Verilog. So that click on this icon. This for creating in the Verilog file. You can write system Verilog or TCL script file, state machine file. By now we are writing to we have to write Verilog HDL file. So select that only and click OK. And our in this space we can write the Verilog hardware distribution language like Verilog code. I just paste that code. And here there is a symbol like amplifier. Just click. You have to save that file on your directory and save it. And it is compiling. You can see here the results of the compilation. Last class I said I will share that. I was shared that like compile, design, analysis and synthesis, place and route, assembler, timing analysis. Is all shown in the here only like tasks. This is a way to run a simulation of the RTL code in Intel Cortex Prime. In upcoming sessions, I will write and code on simulation in the tool only, Intel Cortex Prime tool only. In the EDA Playground, we have to check that by a way of writing test benches. Test benches is nothing but checking the design by giving the inputs like ungate operations like 0 1 0 1 and 1 0 1 0. I will teach you upcoming sessions how to write test bench for to check the designs, and then we will move to slides. This is all about today. And if you guys interested on masterclass, you can join on 1 month internship on VLSI design. The benefits are you are getting already set 30 days of recording sessions, 30 days of PPTs, exclusive project codes, and VIP community groups for your doubt clearing and internship updates. And you will get a ITE internship confirmation letter. And then you can access a 90 days LMS course. And we will give you assignment and tasks to improve your knowledge in VLSI design. And we are also giving the weekly sessions to doubt clearing, and you can ask any doubts in your sessions to mentors. And I will teach you resume building, and I will give you mock tests, and we will give you internship certificates and participant certificates. If you guys really interested, means just you can buy on the internship course by using the registration link. You can access the registration link in chat box. Our organizer will post the link on chat box. You can click on it and you please avail it. It will be useful for your VLSI industry. And our regular fees is 1,999 only. In the masterclass session, we are giving to discount fee for you. It's like 799 only. It is a limited time period of offer. This offer will end by 2/8/2004. It means next month too. And thank you guys. It is today is all about installation and files like Xilinx and Intel Cortex Prime. We will see tomorrow. Thank you for all.